Laid off for Tim Weah. Weah's coming forward. Weah's shot is off the post. Floated forward. It's Pulisic.
Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV, and we're going to discuss the battering, a total battering that we got last night from the USA team. Quite an interesting talking point, quite some interesting talking points in the game, and we're going to discuss every player individually and their performance. We're going to discuss what went wrong, in my perspective, my opinion, and also when things started to go right. Now, let me just start off here. Right here is that one. Coming to this, let me say this from now. Coming to this campaign or this window, we had one attacker. We have one informed attacker. One attacker in the last 5 or 6 games they play score 4 goals, who have been vital to their club. That's one player, and in a team that's one. But yet still, over the 2 games them, that one attacker hasn't started not even one game. He is Ronaldo Cephas. And for some reason, we suffer for it. We really suffer for it. And both times when Cephas came on the pitch, from the first game to this game, you see the reason why he's our most informed attacker. Anyways, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. This is basically my match reaction. Give myself some time to think, to look, to observe, to understand, to analyze before I come live, so I can give a fair assessment of every single player. I had actually get the opportunity, wake up late this morning, so I had the opportunity to rewatch the game. And through that, I can say most definitely, it's bad, but should I say maybe not as bad if we had done the right thing before. So, let's get into it. First of all, overall performance, I thought that we didn't look right. We had so much issues, we had so much wrong. You know, before we go into performances, my gosh, why is it we bring Ravel Morrison and Ravel Morrison not even get a look in? Not even a look in. Core Bennett, not even a look in. So then ask yourself the question, why did they even bother come then? Why did they even bother come? Somebody who have sense, answer that for me in the comment section. I'm going to say, I have no sense, you know. I always hear that, you know. Anyways, when I go look at now, people, I'm going to have a look at the starting lineup. The starting lineup. Andre Blake in goal. We went for a 4-2-3-1. You know, 4-2-3-1. Double pivot. Nothing wrong with that, I have to say. You know. Yeah. It's actually the same formation that USA went to. Andre Blake in goal. Tavan Great right back. Damian Lowe centre back alongside Bernard. Amar Bailey left back position. We have Aiden and Latibeaudier in the middle of the park. Bailey on the right. McGee in the attacking midfield position. And DeMar Gray on the left. And Shamar Nicholson leading the line. And I have to say, people, for me, it starts right here. It started right here. Right here, so it started. Now, I have to say, from the starting lineup, I was kind of upset because I say no, say really and truly, I wanted to see Cephas in the starting lineup. I want to see Cephas in the starting lineup. It's not me just saying Cephas because boy, I'm a fan of Cephas, or boy, I just want to see Cephas play. No. He is our most informed attacker going into these 2 games. We have nobody who will give the output like when I give. Nobody. And as I said, both times he came onto the pitch. So just the starting lineup alone for 2 games, me never respect it. Because I need to see him that game. Now, albeit, Gray scored 2 goals. But if I'm being honest, if we are all being honest here, if Gray hadn't scored those 2 goals, we lose game 4-0 now. Enough people have said, boy, this is not good enough for Gray. He was last most of the game. Gray was last for most of the game. So what I'm going to do, people, I'm going to show the goals that we concede. I'm going to look at some of the issues them. But what we're going to do, we're going to discuss the players them first. Then we're going to show the goals that we concede and look at some of the issues that we have on the pitch. So we have the replay. I put aside, so look, so just don't go away. Stay a little longer. Andre Blake in goal. The goals that we concede, not much you can do about it. Nothing much. I do think me a person say for when I goal him was scoring, come out and come off a line too fast. We will look at that. I don't see any issue where Andre Blake is concerned for any of the goals. These were some really good goals from that perspective. So I can't blame Andre Blake for none of them goals. From one. Tavon Gray, I thought that the team didn't trust him. The team never trust him, so they consistently shift the ball away from him. Quite a few times, we saw Leon Bailey with the ball at his feet, could have given it to Tavon Gray and decided to cut inside or go inside. And guess when though? Give away the ball. Give away the ball. It happened quite a few times, people. Quite a few times. So, as Mr. Cecil, we'll have those images. Right now, I send a few more of those images to my email, so me can bring it up. Anyways, yeah. Next up, Damian Lowe in the middle, in the centre back position. Tavon Gray, not really a good game. I must say about 2 of the goals are down the side we conceded. Say no, say he never not going good. He never not going good. About 3 times he was at fault for some of the goals. And because he was so often out of position, Damian Lowe was struggling to keep up. Was really struggling to keep up with him. Every time we consider goal, Damian Lowe turn and say, Jesus, please, no cover. Me make a step, I'm gonna get no cover. People are gonna say, why make a step? Because he had to make the step. Because our midfield, people, let me make it clear now. Our biggest problem in this game was our midfield. Don't think our defenders are a problem, you know. The biggest problem in this game was actually our midfielders, you know. Una go see it. Me say una go see it. You guys will see it for yourself. Bernard, I think he had I don't think Damian Lowe had a bad game overall. I don't think he had a bad game. Unfortunately, he struggled because Tavon Gray was struggling. Pull him all over the place. But not necessarily the best game either. Bernard was a little bit more cleaner. But sometimes he's caught ball watching. And then now the unfortunate ball will come off and heel will cost you an own goal. That's how football go. Amar Bell, I think out of the entire back 4, I think maybe he's the one who look the best. Out of a bad bunch. The best out of a bad bunch. Yeah, let's get into the midfield where the big problem lies. 1, Latibeaudier. And I have to say, in my perspective, Latibeaudier was our best player last night. Latibeaudier, in my opinion, Latibeaudier was our best player last night. If Latibeaudier was not in that midfield, we're dead. We get about 10, minimum 10. A long time I don't see a midfielder I put out fire so much places on the pitch at once. He might put out fire, this a out fire. It's a out fire. Him overwork. And him teammate beside him, Isaac Aiden, nowhere to be seen in the midfield. Nowhere to be seen in the middle of the park. We're not going to cost me for that one, you know. Let's know. Isaac Aiden get an assist. And that will overshadow everybody's mind of what happened on the pitch. Isaac Aiden was nowhere to be seen in the middle of the park. I have footage, I have evidence. I'm going to show it to you. We're not going to see it for yourself. So don't go blast it nowhere. We're not going to start cuss me. To them wanting to cuss me. I don't care. Wanting to cuss me today. We're not going to see it. Isaac Aiden was nowhere in the midfield to be found. This is what Isaac Aiden did. Every time Latibeaudier and Bell or Bernard has the ball out on the far right, or should I say left back, in that far position, that is when he present himself, make 1 touch, 3-yard pass, 1 touch, 3-yard pass. He did not necessarily engage in any of the combats that was going on in the middle of the pitch. He did not engage in any of the battle that was going on in the middle of the pitch. He was so far away from the battle. He was not engaged for the whole of the game. The one time he was engaged was when he created the assist, when he run through the middle of the park and received the ball to play cross. That was the only time he was engaged. Most of the time, he just went, when he see the ball now, a safe space, he go over there, collect the ball, and pass it back to the same player who pass the ball to him. So he protect himself within the game. It's basically play a game within a game. People want to watch a game and watch it back on himself. All I passes they will make are some safe passes. Him not trying nothing, him not try getting involved in the middle of the park or break the line. If he did do it, not more than twice. Versus Latibeaudier who work extremely hard in the middle of the pitch. Him alone I do every single thing. And he's not the best ball handler, but him have to do it. No, I like Hayden. No. The assist don't trick me. And them up a safe pass when Bell the way over there so and away from the play. No engagement now go on. You go over there, go make 2 passes. That not trick me. Miss that. I see players. I know when players are trying to play within themselves. Me know them something there. Bailey, you said the general is back, yeah? And that's not a general performance. That's more of a general shoe polish type of thing. No. There's no way. One of the goals will concede. Bailey get the ball at the top of edge of 18 and lose him footing. And drop. Bailey they play drops with the players them. Bailey drops every minute in drop. Why? Why you drop? Why you fall apart? Why every minute you drop? You drop in a national stadium. I'm fine. We say, all right, fine, because I pitch. But if I'm proper pitch now, you still a drop. Start out the footing. Start out, get the balance right, man. Get the balance right. Not a good performance for Bailey. Cool. The amount of time is Stephen Gray in good position to receive the ball. Hold on on the ball, miss pass. Hold on the ball, miss pass again. Or then you lose, or when you lose the ball. Anyways, Tyrone Magee, not the best performance. Not good as well. I thought Tyrone Magee was just another player who played within himself. I'm glad I get to rewatch a game. So I can say a better aspect of it. Only 2 passes in the final third, not the best. The problem we have in this game is we weren't having the ball much. So Tyrone Magee definitely made no sense on the pitch because his defensive work rate is not the highest. I'm trying, but no. That's the reason why Latibeaudier look the best player because we defend a lot and he had the whole heap of work. In a game like this, we have to play Tyrone Magee, bro. We have to play against teams where we are going to have possession of the ball when we can do them stuff there. But once we have possession of the ball, no. Defensive work rate not high enough. Gray. Demar Gray, the only thing saved Demar Gray the 2 goals. That's the only thing that saved him. This was not a good performance. Fine. We need the 2 goals them. 2 goals them still wasn't even good enough. Fine. But at the end of the day, it was lost for 90% of the game. He was lost for 90% of the game. The only thing save Gray is just the 2 goals them we score. Other than that, you have to ask yourself the question, what was he doing the entirety of the game? What was he doing the entirety of the game? He's not doing a defensive work. He not run back for support. No. Fine, he 2 goals them save him. So, aside for that, Shamar Nicholson. That was a weak performance from Bowser. Very, very weak performance. I mean, not just weak overall as in the performance, not good. Weak physically as well. You're the biggest man on the pitch. There's no way other player for you jump and a man handle you and a win the ball over you. No way at all. You jump with aggression, you jump and man your ball. We're not seeing that. We're expecting a game like this, Shamar Nicholson, when the ball go long. If you depend it and hold it up at least 1 or 2 times, to take some pressure off our defense, we weren't getting that. That's the reason why I would say this ideally a game like this starts first. When the ball go over the top, make the US defender then run back. Force them back. Not a good performance as well. Substitution, Romaro Williams coming on, that don't make no sense. Coach, that never made no sense at all. Because one, the moment you take off Bowser, you're going for quick runners in behind. Quick runners in behind. So why end up putting back Romaro Williams? That never make no sense at all. None whatsoever. You take out Bowser, that makes sense to just keep on Bowser then. You take out Bowser and bring on one next target and target striker. What? I thought you were just going to push back the defense by bringing on runners. That never made no sense. Kara Anderson thought he came on 1 or 2 moments in the middle of the pitch. Not necessarily. It was okay. I think Kara was okay. At least we saw someone now doing a little bit more work in the middle of the park. Gregley coming on. What Gregley came on today, he brought some security. Because really and truly, Tavan Gray was, I don't know, nerves getting better him. It seems that nerves getting better Tavan. Richard King came off with Tariq McGee. That is a change. I am said that is actually a good change. But at the time when the change happened, it was the first change. I was surprised because I said, fine, coach. We take off an attacking midfielder, but we bring on a defender. What was the thought process in that? At that point in time, my thought was, yeah, take off an attacking midfielder, but yeah, bring on one defender. What's the correlation? We already lose. So why? Me just never understand that. We 3-love down, and you put on a defender. You take off attacking midfielder, you put on a defender. I never really understand that. But fair enough, Richard King came on and look one of our best players. He came on and look one of our best players. Ronaldo Cephas came on as well. And I thought that is when things kind of switch up. Tavan Gray came off and Bowser came off. And Gregley and Cephas came on at the same time. And that is where the game literally changed. Richard King, Gregley, Cephas are the 3 players who changed the game. 1, Richard King went into the left back position. I think Gregley went into the right back position, which truthfully to me personally, that made no sense because Richard King is a right footer, Gregley is a left footer. So, so Gregley end up over on the right hand side. Richard King end up on the left hand side. So technically, I didn't really understand that. I don't know if other people see, but I saw that. I said this no make sense. Anyways, but I thought that they definitely changed the game. The running from Cephas. The running behind from Cephas is what definitely changed the game. It pushed the USA team back. And that's the reason why I said, when he pulled Leon Bailey, so we have 3 runners, Demar Gray, Cephas, and Bailey up front. These are the 3 runners. What push the USA defense start to push back now. That's when we start seeing some glory. That's when we start getting to attacking position. That's when we start getting 1 and 2 goals now. I will get 2 goals then. Then now the coach goes up, boom. Let me see if I can get this correct. Demar Gray score on, may I show you these people? Demar Gray score on the 68th minute. The game, the 4-2. We have lots of runners now. Cephas came on, and Richard King came on the 46th minute, and Cephas came on the 68th minute. And moments after Cephas came on, Gray score. You know what the foolish is going to happen now, people? When the coach go pull off Bailey and put on Romario Williams, he put on Cephas Shamar, and we have 3 runners up front now. Now we run at the USA defenders. Little bit after man pull Bailey and put on Williams. You have 3 runners now and push the USA defense back. Why? So why you go back to one standing forward? Why you need to go back to a standing forward? The USA defense are scared of the runners. Then you're going back to standing forward now. And guess what now? No? USA get back control of the game and start pushing back. So we don't get nothing more. So the little moment when we have the runners, all 3 runners up front, we get little glory from it. And then all of a sudden, we get pushed back. Me don't know. Me don't know that go. Anyways, all right. So let's have a look at the goals, people. Let's have a look at the goals. Let me see if I can. So let's have a look at the goals, people. All right. All right. So where my camera there? Oh, yeah. I justify myself. Hey. Let's have a look at the goals, people. I make myself smaller than that. Let's have a look at the goals. Let's have a look at the goals. Team I walk out, you know, team look good. Look really, really good. You know what I mean? So things set. Shake on and stuff. So we start off. Good. This is the first goal. Tavon Gray, I don't know. You need some cornmeal dumpling, brother. You need some cassava dumpling. You need some... I don't know. Weak. No, this is what I look. So Damien Lowe came across for support. This is where Damien Lowe would normally be right here. That's in between where I say the centre back. I don't even know if I can see. Oh, now I can see cursor. I know, sir. I don't know how I can add the cursor. How I can add the cursor. Can't add the cursor. Can't add the cursor. Anyways, Damien Lowe would normally be say, come across to help something there. The Tavon Gray. Tavon Gray lost out in his battle. And this is where the problem starts. So now Damien Lowe is out of position. Ball go. Here comes shot and goal. Good. Wonderful from the goalkeeper. No, sorry. Wonderful from the goal post in helping us in that position. No, this is a pass. This is the pass. This I want to cost both Damien Lowe and Andre Gray for this one. Good. Now, one more thing to look on here is Andre Blake. The match cost Andre Blake and Damien Lowe for this one. One more to look on this one is look on the pass. So the pass I make people. See if I tap the pass I make. Damien Lowe is actually in a very good position right there. Basically, in the on the line. But him read say pass or go over. My problem here is, why is Tavon Gray so high up the pitch? Tavon Gray should be in the line around the next side. He might chase to come back. Because Damien Lowe must be close to Bernard. To ensure say, you have the line is there as well. Now, look at Gray chasing behind now. Damien Lowe, after Andre Blake spot the ball and come across. Andre Blake had to come out. He had to come out. Because if he hadn't come out, you know, the panel line stuck. And see there? Look which one, he's not dead, man. He's not dead same way. So Andre Blake coming out here was actually really, really close and almost stopped the goal. Just almost stopped the goal from scoring. And see there? Tavon Gray still no reach, you know? Still no reach. John Star still no reach. Andre, I can't blame Gray. I'm blaming if you say that's more on Gray. Andre Blake did well there. Unfortunately, Damien Lowe was already out of the play. See there? See Damien Lowe there? Close to the man right here. So this is the Damien Lowe player. I read. The passer go by the top and start drop off. But look at Gray. Look at what she trying to get back. Oh boy. See that? Good try, Blake. Really good try from Blake. Really, really good try. So there you go. Let's have a look at this now. Look at Gray down here. Look at Bailey. Look at Bailey and look at Gray. What is Bailey looking for? Because Bowser can't get the ball. Bowser has been marked by a 3 player. Gray is actually the only available. Unless he want to make a big switch to Demar Gray. But unless he want to make a big switch to Demar, look at that. And it's actually a good pass, you know. But was it the right pass? It was a good pass, but was it the right pass? Let's see what... All right, Bowser, it's true now. What's going to happen here? Weak. Weak from Bowser. Very, very weak from Bowser. Man up, Bowser, you're bigger than the man. Keep your man behind you, man. Know your balance, man. So we lose the ball here so again. And the right back position. Bailey stand up and spectate, you know. Look at Bailey and spectate. Yeah, man, and work hard, man, you know. Work hard. So now, Tavon Gray step in. MC Mohammed now. Nope, didn't step, ball pass, nice pass. No, it is 3v2. Look, people, 3v2. 2 centre backs. That's Bernard and Blake and Low. Bernard and Low are the two deepest line. But you have Pulisic, Pepe, and I think that's McKennie. Let's look at how this fall out. I'm panned out. Right here, I see what Low do. Good, Jackie in. That's good, Jackie in. And that's actually a very good pass. Really, really good pass. Brilliant save from Blake. Follow through now. And that's nice work. Pass inside. Now, here we have Bernard. I think positionally the team set up good right here, so. There's no issue there right there positionally. So this goal was just a bit unfortunate. I do think though, and Latibeaudier had to go, the man who looked like him will get the ball. He had to go. He had to go. But this man free. That's a problem. And who this turn up right there, sir? I hear that? Not sure who that. I hear and I agree that. I'm not sure who. Deflected goal. I'm not sure who. I think they could have made the move to the next player still, but you know go. I don't know who that. Who that? Is that Gray or Bell? Or who? A ball watch, you know. No man, see here just a come back. Wait man, we do strike? I must strike him with that strike. Or Maggie that. I'm not sure who. Next goal now. Alright, so that goal a pass. Damian Lowe out wide again. Far stretch. And you know the reason why Damian Lowe out here, so look where Tavan Gray is at. I will try to recover. So Damian Lowe have to come across to protect around the area there. Tavan Gray, you cast the right side up a lot of issues in this game. Damian Lowe come across to protect. Look at this man right here alone. Bernard, if you come in, if you come cover. Why Bernard is so far though? Why is Bernard so far? Pass inside. On top of the edge of the 18, and that's a brilliantly hit. Nicely hit, man. Brilliant goal, that man. Hi, Blake. Unfortunately, you can't tap none of them come see so far. Very unfortunate. Nothing you can do about them there. That's a brilliant finish. That's our defense. Half time. Yeah. Come on for second half now. Jamaica start growing to it. Get away! Boza! And in drop again. Weak. You don't need to kick the ball and drop. Why if you drop this? Why have not dropped in the first place? Weak. Better on that, Boza. If your man was such big man, better on that, man. Cuts inside. Alright, so this is the whole involvement. You see? You see? The whole game, the whole highlight reel now. The whole involvement, this was actually from Isaac Aiden. All involvement. And this is how he run inside. Cut back, good cut back though, very good assist. And a brilliant finish from Gray. Gray was technically last most of the game. was technically last most of the game. You notice all of the frame I'm showing now. One person consistent in all that frame there, and that's Latibeaudier. Consistent in all of the frame them. That's the first goal. Actually a really good finish as well. Very, very good finish. Cross over to the box. See that now? Look like a bungle ball to play. Where's the right back? Where is the right back? Let me see. 55 minutes. 55 minutes. Where is Gray? Tavan was on the pitch as well. Where is he? You see that Latibeaudier right there saying now the defensive work as well now. Still a recover now. I can't Tavan Gray that just arrived. Oh no, that's how they have me here, so. Oh, me just remember. Tavan Gray had to come across. Yeah, so no, so Gray, this one was not on Gray. He had to come across in the center part there so for support. That was actually rifle that still, man, I lie. No, nothing Blake can do about that one there. He rifle it. I just think, look how bungle up some man. Bungle ball game. Ridiculous, sir. Bungle ball. Boom. The killer star. Rifle. Cuts inside. Fast with a shot. And Gray with the follow-up. And that's where we end the game. And that's where we end the game. Yeah, that is where we end the game, people. Me know the review kind of long still. My apologies, people. Me know the review kind of long. I never did necessarily want it to be that long. Probably talk about 35 minutes. I'm going to show you some pictures, people. Let me see if I can show you some pictures. I know because people supposed to still come at me, you know. I'm showing some pictures of how I go on. Alright, yeah, good. So let me browse this thing here. I'm showing you something, yeah? Transform fit to screen. Good. See the people. Want to look for Migley Park, yeah? Want to see big old gap right there, sir? Yeah, man. Right there, sir. This is Latibeaudier right here, sir. Right there, sir, the big old gap there. Aiden for the right there, sir. I'm going to know. Aiden's supposed to be right there, sir. That big old gap there. See, big old gap again. This is Latibeaudier. Latibeaudier is actually the last player. In a big old Migley picture, sir, right there, sir, people. Aiden for the there. You see, up at the top, sir. What's I see the blue thing? That's where Aiden is at. That's Aiden. So you move out as enough, you can get a secure, safe pass with him now and no stress. No level of distress. So you can make another 3-yard pass. Big old gap in that Migley pitch. Latibeaudier have to drop in between the centre back. Aiden's supposed to come right in that Migley part. That's the way you see centre circle. Show me I show you something, people. Let's go again. Right, yes, so look at this now. Is Latibeaudier in a centre back position? It's right beside the referee. That is Aiden. Right beside the referee. You wonder, what is he doing? Where is he supposed to be? So I can show the last picture of this. Good. See big old gap. Look for the big old. Alright, see referee up people and the USA player. Right beside the USA player, that is Aiden. Far away from the play. Far away from the play. People, the whole game man hide. I tell you, man hide the whole game. He did get an assist, which is really, really good. I was surprised. I'm tired. But that was not a good performance from the team. That was not a good performance. Fine at USA, but we could have done a lot better. There's a big gap in the Migley pitch every time USA have the ball. Even when we have the ball, there's a big gap in the Migley pitch. Latibeaudier here, sir. And I in the way over there, so. Him basically I play within himself. That was not enough. Latibeaudier had to do too much work. He was definitely our best player on the pitch. I'm not asking no question. In my opinion. Tactically, the team was not set up right. This one is on the coach. And he never identified issues fast enough. And when Cephas King and Greg Lake came onto the pitch, the team kind of get stabilized. And that switch up the moment he pull Leon Bailey. Well, Leon Bailey never not play not much still. But at least at that point in time we gained some momentum. Poor performance, people. Anyways, soon again, people. Big up on yourself. Long video. I don't want to do video so long still, but we all people. God bless. Enjoy your Sunday.